Where's the turtle?
Well, he just came up to get a little breath, and now he's back down, which is fun. Look at Massey use a boat.
There's a boat, and it's coming over here.
Boats come out of that hole right there.
That?
It's come out of that hole right there.
Yeah.
Where'd everybody go?
I heard something about there being boats on the ocean.
Should we go back to the car?
Sure.
Like,
You wanna go back to the car? I kinda wanna go back to the car.
I just want to see one more.
Okay. There's a turtle.
There it is.
There.
Is that a good one or no?
Yeah, there's better. There's better.
They get bigger than that. Oh. Oh wow.
Yeah, dude. It's like totally legit or something. You know?
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
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 Okay. Yeah.
You have this on YouTube.
Oh, you know it was on my YouTube.
What happened to that video you posted on YouTube?
It's still on YouTube.
Couldn't find it.
It's still on YouTube. Don't worry. I tagged it under like pretty much everything anyone looks up on YouTube.
Oh.
Like fail
YouTube
army.
video too?
Yeah, you're in this YouTube video
I'm
too.
pretty much famous.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry. And there's a chair.
Does YouTube want to see my dance moves?
YouTube wants to see your dance moves. There we go.
Am I cool?
Yeah. You know you can get arrested for YouTube, right?
Really?
Yeah, they arrest you on YouTube for showing people's faces that don't want to see their faces. Or maybe they just shoot you or something.
I did that once.
Yeah, me too. They can also kill you if they see your face.